Alright, so we are about to leave Riverview. We're heading up to FUNDY National Park for a few days, a couple days I guess. All that crap.
Leaving from Moncton, and we're going up past Hillsboro up to FUNDY.
We did pick up a dash cam. Probably try that out, see how that works. Only a little cheap one, but you know. Alright, one right there. Yeah, I'm starting to see some of the view here.
Wow.
There we go. This is before Hillsboro. We're not quite there yet. But yeah, you used to be able to see the river down there really easy at one point. Long road up there. Oh, my spot's coming up. Well, not my spot, but... Here we go. I'd say we're almost to Hillsboro.
Yep.
Down that road is our swimming hole that we would go to once in a while.
And we will get that recorded because we'll call it a stay there event.
Yeah. That's a river ice flow. Traffic. Dirty windows. Chris driving. Alright, we're now in Hillsboro. There we go.
Camperman.
Yeah. We're better. We're less conspicuous, but noticeable. Store. That's one of the main stores up here. We got the church there. Do they still have the laundromat, I wonder, here?
Not a very big community.
No. There used to be a laundromat right there. Or, yeah, no, it was there. Yeah, we're already almost... Fresh Mart. It's Ford's Pharmacy. There's the train. Post office. Sorry.
Oh, they got rid of it.
Wasn't there a train down or something down here?
There was a bio tavern right here. Been years since I've actually been down here.
Yeah, we normally come through the back way. And we'll probably go home that way to show you. But yeah, that's pretty much Hillsboro for you, right there. There's still more houses, but there's no actual, I don't think, really restaurants or anything left, is there? I don't think... Oh, bump! Oh, you missed it. The roads are horrid.
You can still tell it's spring.
I don't know how much we're going to be able to see. Because you already drove. Oh, I know.
Gotcha.
But you kept driving before I was ready. Right there, all kinds of... Not smoke, but fog. Doesn't look as good on camera. Nothing does. repairs. Ooh,
Yeah, they definitely had a washout.
We hit a spot along the way where we gotta stop for the light.
Yeah, it looks like they had some washouts. So they're just repairing the road and everything.
There we go. Now light's green and we're off on see what's happened.
Yeah, that looked like that's what happened. Road washed out in a couple of spots. Oh, the bridge too. Wow.
Yeah.
Construction crews.
Oh, did we already pass Broadleaf?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, we got construction happening, I guess, along our way today. Yep, go the other lane and go slow. Someone trying to fix some of these roads. I'll find out. There's small intervals, so
No problem.
it's alright. You can add music in behind, can't you? We are in Riverside Alberta right now.
Just a small little community on the way to Fundy.
A little guardian.
There's the Red Roof restaurant on your right, which is pointing at now.
Right
I think it's still open.
I think so.
Okay. Not really much to this community.
A lot of they're all little communities on the way out.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's a lot of big houses I find up here too. Like this is a big house.
And here on your right, I think, is the only store in the community.
Quick Mart?
Yeah.
What about the right there?
Oh, I forgot about that one. That's new. That used to be the old bank here.
Bank. I was thinking post office.
I think it's a museum information now by the looks of it. And there's Crooked Creek.
Crooked Creek?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, sorry, Beaver Brook. My bad. We'll also make this trip during the
Summer.
spring when we start to get like leaves. It's beautiful, man. It's all greened up.
Okay. That's pretty much it for here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it for town.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Alright, let's see why.
What's
I don't see anything.
washing on that side?
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
I didn't see nothing there.
No,
No. road's closed. Why would anything be coming?
If there's houses down that way.
We are now in Alma. Okay. Look at that.
And just so you know, this is Alma, New Brunswick.
Oh, I suppose.
The town of Alma. Just outside of FUNDY National Park.
There we go. And it's 3 kilometers at this point till we get to, oh, FUNDY Motel, never mind. And Soprano's Pizza.
And it's open.
Oh, hey, there you go. Keep an eye on what's open. The volunteer fire station and
yeah, Alma is a little fishing village. Used to be a fishing village, still is, I guess, but it mainly caters during the summer to tourists.
that's the bakery. Everybody loves that bakery. And this is a common restaurant. There you go. Motel. There's that.
Oh, gas is $1.71 here.
I'm getting to that. Oh!
And a kitty.
It's his birthday today.
2 years today. Oh, look.
I'm trying.
I guess there are quite a few boats in the water.
We're gonna have to pull over. Sissy's gonna get sick.
Actually quite high right now.
Yeah, it is high. Really high. Because when it's down, it's a lot lower than this. Okay.
Okay, now I want to take pictures over here too, because it's kind of neat. It's up so high that...
Yeah, we had to pull in here because Sissy was just sick. She does get car sick every so often.
And the roads were unusually bumpy.
Yeah, look at all the ice in there.
That's
too,
kind of
right?
neat, actually.
It is. I would have my window more down, but I got that one that landed right there.
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're heading up to the campground.
Pretty sure that's the Discovery Pass. No.
Okay, walkway up there. I believe that walkway will take you up to the yurts.
Yeah, up to the campground that we're going to.
Oh, we're going up in that one?
Yep. As soon as I figure out how to do this.
Okay. Well, either way, is that where... Watch where you're driving. Okay. Because aren't we going to have to go see what...
I think I'm going to have to go back in there.
Available? We haven't done the winter camping up here at all yet, so this is new to us. Why don't you drive down there, see if there's anything available, even.
Well, I don't know what sections is open.
There's vacancy.
Uh-huh.